In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a certificate of completion in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From there, look for the Manage section. This is where DocuSign stores and organizes the envelopes you've sent, received and completed, so it's the right place to locate the document history you need. Inside Manage, go to the Completed tab. This will show you envelopes that have already finished the signing process. Take a moment to find the specific completed envelope you want the certificate for. If you have a lot of envelopes in your account, it can help to carefully scan the list so you choose the correct one before moving on. When you found it, select the envelope to open its details. This area gives you more information about the transaction, including status and activity related to that envelope. Next, open the More menu or the Actions menu, depending on the version of DocuSign you're using. The exact label may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You're looking for the menu that contains additional options for that completed envelope. From that menu, select View Certificate or Certificate of Completion. DocuSign will then open the certificate associated with that envelope. This certificate is useful because it provides an audit trail of the transaction, including key details about the envelope and the signing process. Take a moment to review the certificate details on screen. This is a good time to confirm that you opened the right certificate and that the information shown matches the envelope you intended to document. Reviewing it before downloading can save time and help avoid confusion later. Once everything looks correct, select Download or Download Certificate. Your browser will then prompt you to choose where you want to save the file. Pick a location that's easy to remember, such as your Downloads folder or a specific folder for signed documents, so you can find it quickly when you need it. After the file finishes downloading, open the downloaded certificate and verify that it contains the envelope information and signing history. This final check helps confirm that the file saved properly and includes the details you need for your records. Thanks for watching.